Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Friday, March 3rd, and you know what we do on Fridays at my house? We plant. That severe line of thunderstorms that went from Dallas all the way up into Missouri, it's gone. It was overcast and really blowing hard today. Didn't feel real warm. Although this afternoon, the winds died down, feels pretty good. So come on, let's plant. I know we've already planted some potatoes, but we talked about this last fall. I took quite a bit of guff when I said that a potato tower doesn't work. Well, I've done some more research, and after taking that kind of beating, I decided I better make sure I knew what I was talking about. Okay, there are determinate and indeterminate potatoes, just like determinate and indeterminate tomatoes. The thing with the determinate potatoes, those are the ones I just throw on the ground, cover with hay, grab them, pull them up, we got potatoes. That would be your Yukon Gold, your Pontiac Red, your Kennebec. Those are all determinate. They're only going to grow at one level. But I understand the russets are an indeterminate, and as you hill them up, they're supposed to continue to make potatoes. We're going to find out. Last fall, right here in the corner, I went ahead and put up these little trellises, and we grew some peas on there. We also had some beets right in here. But I decided we were going to use this as something we could hill, and this way I have basically four sides. I can still get in here, but we can pile the mulch in here deep. So we're going to go ahead and plant our indeterminate potatoes right here. And just like everything else, you just take that mulch, and this is pretty thick right here. I was planning on this. So I'm going to pile this up on the sides. So I'm just going to pile this mulch up on the back and the sides just to get us going. And we got hay, and we got wood chips, and we got shavings, and we got leaves. And just look how nice that is. Where you going? Let's go plant potatoes. Now that we've got this down to bare soil, we're going to do what Ruth Stout did. Get one back there. She just kind of throw them on the ground. You just kind of toss them in there. Now if this works, we're going to have a big old batch of potatoes right here. I'm going to save these two out, and I'm going to plant them right on the other side of this trellis, and I'm not going to hill them. We're going to see if we get a difference. Now, the edge of where I planted the other potatoes is here, going that direction. I left a little space right here on purpose. Just like with everything, dig down to soil, drop your potato, and cover up. That's all you got to do. And this looks like it's a little deep, but it's not too bad. So that's as much hilling as they're going to get. So those are our two control potatoes. And these, just like Ruth Stout did, throw some hay on them. Now the first time I did this, I wasn't sure if we were going to get anything. But this is coming into our 5th summer. Keep that fluffy. You don't want to get it too compacted. And there you go. We've got indeterminate potatoes in. Come check out the beets. Check out the beets. Yes. Oh, good boy. You want a winter beet leaf? Getting a beet leaf is fine. But that's why we do it. Help me plant some potatoes. You can have it. Let me get it cleaned up. You can have it after I get the dirt off of it. You can do this too. We're going to go get it cleaned up right now. Riley, I want to thank you for stopping by the garden, helping us get some potatoes in and picking a beet. Until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Let's go get this cleaned up. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.